Hey y'all, Lily here. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with y'all how I go about bleaching a t-shirt. Should you have any questions along the way, feel free to drop a comment down below and I will do my best to assist you. With that being said, let's get started. Alright, so this is a t-shirt I'm going to be bleaching. It is a poly blend. It is 65% polyester and 35% cotton. So I'm going to make this process super simple. What I use is just a trash bag. I put that in between my t-shirts. This way the bleach doesn't seep through and then create unwanted bleaching in the back. I know there are a lot of different methods out there, but this is just what I find that works for me. It's super simple, super easy, and I could just reuse the trash bags again and again. Alright, and then once we have the trash bag placed where we'd like it, I just make sure that it is covering every single part. That way the bleach doesn't seep through and create bleach spots in the back. So just take your time. And then all we're going to need is bleach. This is the one that I use. It's the Clorax brand. I prefer this one. This is the one that works best for me. I do not get the no splash or no splatter one. That one doesn't bleach thoroughly. We're also going to need a spray bottle. This is the one that I'm using today. It is the off-brand Walmart Febreze bottle. I like the way this one sprays. The mist of it sprays evenly, so I definitely recommend this bottle if you do have a Walmart near you. Now I'm just going to go ahead and fill this up with the bleach. I do not dilute my bleach. I do live in Texas, so the sun is pretty bright, so it does bleach my shirts fairly quickly, so I just use straight bleach in the bottle. Alright, and all we have left to do now is just bleach our shirt. So I just go ahead and start with the design, the center design. I just go ahead and spray around it as much as I can. This bottle was already on its last straw, so it was giving me a bit of issues, but it did work out for me in the end. Bleach does tend to travel, so just spray a light layer and then just build up to see if you need more. We can always add more bleach, but we can't take it away. And if you can see here, it's already starting to bleach and I barely started spraying it. And so when it comes to bleaching, I don't think there is like a specific technique. I just feel like as long as you're spraying and you're happy with the outcome, that's all that really matters. So I just spray until my heart can't spray anymore. And then here I noticed that I sprayed the right side more than the left side. So I just have to go back in and spray the left side to even out with the right side. So I'm just going to go ahead and speed through this process, but as you can see, it is turning white fairly quickly. Then I could just stop here, but I like to add like a little bit of dots or spots around the t-shirt. So I just go ahead and try to sprinkle some dots or spots, and if that's not working out for me, I just remove the top of the cap and then just wiggle the end of the top, creating a bunch of spots just where I like them. So I personally don't think there is a right or wrong way when it comes to bleaching. Every t-shirt, you can make it very unique. You can make it your own. You can get as creative as you'd like. So I just keep adding until I find a perfect amount of spots, ratio to t-shirt to bleach. Here is what the bottom looks like. I love all those random little spots everywhere. I just think it adds a cool effect to the t-shirt. And then this is how it turned out. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Everything that I am using in this video, I will go ahead and leave a link in the description box for y'all. And all we have left to do is give it a peroxide bath. So I went ahead and put 1 cup of peroxide to 10 cups of water. And then I'm just going to go ahead and soak that in for about 10 to 15 minutes. Just making sure that I am deactivating the bleach from spreading and creating any unwanted holes from the bleach. Alright, and after that's done soaking for about 15 minutes, I'm just going to go ahead and throw it in the washer. And that's it. This is what it turned out like. I love bleaching t-shirts. I do live in Texas, so it's super simple, super fun. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. If you have any questions at all, feel free to drop a comment down below and I will do my best to assist you in the best way possible. Thank you so much for watching this video. I do have TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. I would greatly appreciate that support over there. Thank you so much for watching and have a great one.